Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are on the hunt for a new hair straightener but don't want to break the bank, you are in the right place. Today, we're putting 5 of the most popular budget hair straighteners to the test. We're talking Philips, Havells, Iconic, Vega, and Nova. We're going to compare everything from heat up time to features and, most importantly, the final result. First up is the Philips Selfie Hair Straightener, model HP8302/06. This one is all about minimal heat damage, thanks to its Silk Pro Care technology and ceramic coated plates. It heats up to a professional 210 degrees Celsius in just 60 seconds and has a 1.6 meter swivel cord. It's also compact, making it great for travel or for those with short hair. Next, we have the Havells HS4101. This one boasts ceramic plates and a fast 45-second heat-up time. It can reach a maximum temperature of 210 degrees Celsius and has a 1.8 meter, 360 degree swivel cord. What I love about this one is that it has floating plates, which means it adapts to the thickness of your hair to prevent snagging. It's also versatile enough to create curls as well. The Iconic Simply Straight is up next. This one has super slim 1-inch rose gold plates and a lightning fast 30 to 40 second heat up time. It's designed for quick, precise styling and features an auto shut off for safety. The long, 7-foot swivel cord is a great feature, giving you a lot of flexibility while styling. Just a heads up, this one doesn't have a temperature control setting, so it's a one heat fits all kind of straightener. Our fourth contender is the Vega Adore, model VHSH18. This is a very popular budget-friendly option. It has ceramic-coated plates and a quick heat-up time. It's super travel-friendly and has a convenient lock system to keep the plates together when not in use. Like the Iconic, this one also lacks a temperature control button, so it's a simple on-off operation. Finally, we have the Nova NHS901. This straightener stands out with its 4 temperature settings, ranging from 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, so you can customize the heat for your hair type. It heats up in a rapid 30 seconds and has a 60-minute auto shut-off feature. It also has floating ceramic plates, which is great for smooth gliding and reducing split ends. Product links are displayed in description area, you may use it to buy. Your support means a lot. Hit that subscribe button to keep getting valuable product insights and buying tips. Best for beginners, the Vega Adore is super straightforward and a great entry-level straightener. Best for versatility, the Havells HS4101 is your best bet if you want to both straighten and curl your hair. Best for speed, the Nova and Iconic both have a rapid 30-second heat-up time, perfect for when you're in a rush. Most customizable, the Nova NHS 901 wins this category with its multiple temperature settings. Best for damage control, the Philips HP8302x06 with its Silk Pro Care technology is designed to minimize heat exposure. So, which one is the winner? That really depends on what you need. For control, go with Nova. For a great all-rounder, check out Havells. For a simple and effective tool, consider Philips or Iconic. And for the ultimate budget buy, the Vega is a fantastic choice.